This woman is the love child of a brat and a sasta influencer.
Recently, an influencer in Pakistan named Susan Khan has gone viral for all the wrong reasons.
പാകിസ്ഥാനിൽ സിംഹത്തെ മയക്കിക്കിടത്തി പാർട്ടിയിൽ കാഴ്ചവസ്തുവാക്കി പിറന്ന
What is happening with the people? Such cruel behavior towards animals. Really?
Suzanne Khan is a part-time Pakistani influencer and a full-time brat who not only hosted a full-fledged birthday party for herself, but also used a sedated lion as her party prop.
Toba Toba.
Don't worry, fellow Pakistanis, you're not alone. We have such morons in India too. And honestly, we are gonna get more of them in the near future. क्योंकि एनिमल्स से मिलता है इनको क्लाउड और व्यूज जो खुद के बदौलत इन्हें जिंदगी में कभी नहीं मिल सकता.
Yeah, bitch, I'm a cow.
It is a known fact that videos and pictures involving cute and exotic animals have a higher chance of going viral. So this does answer why a wannabe influencer like Suzanne Khan used a lion as her party prop.
Yeah, Osby.
Not gonna lie, in the past few days, Suzanne has received a lot of hate and criticism. So I just hoped that she would have felt a little bit of guilt. But one of our Sims commented, I was reading the message and I just noticed one thing, 99% of the message are from girls. It means you all are jealous of her cause you can't compete with her. She is above you all. तुम लड़कियों के बाप और भाइयों ने आज तक तुम लोगों को एक फेक टॉय लायन भी लाकर नहीं दिया होगा और तुम सब अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन एंड जेलसी यहाँ निकाल रही हो. If her family is doing something for her to make her happy, then you people are jealous of her. तुम सब inferiority complex का शिकार हो. That's why you all are barking. She loves animals. That's why she bring a lion to her party. You low life people, go change your sick mentality. The audacity, the fucking audacity. The biggest achievement of this woman's life is her father's wealth.
How sad.
Not just sad, it's depressing, Suzanne, that you're so ugly from inside that you don't understand how cruel the situation was. And इतना narcissism लाती कहाँ से हो यार? I'm pretty so like सब मुझसे चलते हैं. Shut up! Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about something really important. As you all know, there's a controversy about me going on these days. Okay, comma, full stop, kuch nahi, fine. Regarding the presence of the lion on my birthday party. So I want to clear out things because what you see is not what really happened. It is what you are being told by the people who are trying to damage my reputation. Bitch, what reputation? Who the fuck knew you before this? People are blaming me for animal abuse, abusing me, passing comments, criticizing me. I have received so many screenshots and videos related to my birthday. It is really very upsetting for me. If this was upsetting for you, just imagine what that poor animal would have gone through. Because I can't even think of using such dangerous animal as a party prop. But you don't mind posting about him in your Insta stories, huh? Cloud chaser. Firstly, I want everyone to know that I have nothing to do with that lion. That lion doesn't belong to me. It belongs to one of my friend's friend. I really didn't know that he is going to bring that lion to my party. Mohatarma, the fact that you liked and replied to a comment which clearly stated that your father rented it for you and all of us are just jealous because we cannot afford a lion like that, says a lot about you. Plus, the presence of the lion scared me. Love, you were literally petting him. You were not scared of him. Shut up. So I requested them to immediately leave along with that lion. That poor animal was declawed and sedated so that people like you can feel safe around him. But no, your ass was scared, huh? I request you all to not create huge controversy of it. Thanks. You want us to stop, but at the same time you're still posting about your birthday bash so that the controversy doesn't die.
जब टैलेंट के नाम पर आपके पास सिर्फ ब्यूटी फिल्टर हुए तो आप कर भी क्या सकते हुए?
Being a responsible adult, I would just like to say that stop giving attention to such morons, even if it is negative. Animals are not a source of entertainment. We are the one who are harming them. they are the one who are afraid of us. Okay, it's not the other way around. The amount of fame that these people are getting is insane and pathetic. This will only lead to more individuals who would like to copy them, and then the whole world will be filled with moronic, idiotic individuals like them.
Keep Carbahen ki.
If you liked this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you all the next time. अभी मैं जा रही हूँ सोने को, बहुत लेट हो गई है. Bye bye, good night.